Have you ever bought a pack of raisins thinking, this is healthy, I should eat more of these? But then you're not really sure how to add them into your daily routine without getting bored? Trust me, you're not the only one. Raisins are small, sweet, and packed with nutrients, but a lot of people just end up eating them straight from the box and calling it a day. Well, there's a much better and more fun way to enjoy them. Let's start with the basics. Raisins are dried grapes, no added sugar, no weird preservatives, just fruit in its simplest, most concentrated form. That makes them super easy to store, take on the go, and add to almost anything. But here's the key. It's not about eating a lot of raisins. It's about eating the right amount at the right time in a way that actually makes your meals better. So how do you do that? First, let's talk mornings. This is probably the easiest time to add raisins into your day. Toss a spoonful into your oatmeal, overnight oats, or smoothie bowl. They give you that natural sweetness without needing sugar or syrup. And they pair really well with nuts, seeds, and yogurt, which helps balance your blood sugar and keeps you full longer. If you're more of a toast person, try this. Spread peanut butter or almond butter on whole grain bread, then sprinkle a few raisins on top. It's sweet, crunchy, and satisfying. Plus, you get healthy fats, fiber, and energy all in one bite. Now let's move on to snacks. This is where raisins really shine. One of the best ways to eat raisins daily is to make your own trail mix. Grab some almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, maybe a few dark chocolate chips if you're feeling it, and toss in a handful of raisins. Boom, homemade energy mix. Keep a little bag in your car, your desk, or your backpack so you always have a smart snack ready. What about lunch or dinner? Believe it or not, raisins aren't just for sweet dishes. You can toss them into salads for a pop of sweetness, especially ones with leafy greens, goat cheese, or vinaigrette dressings. Or try mixing them into rice dishes or couscous with some herbs and olive oil. They add this amazing contrast to savory flavors that'll make your meals way more exciting. And finally, for dessert or a light evening snack, you can mix raisins with plain yogurt and cinnamon. It's simple, comforting, and feels like a treat without going overboard. The point is, you don't need to eat a mountain of raisins to get the benefits. Just a small handful a day, worked into meals you already enjoy, can boost your energy, support digestion, and satisfy your sweet tooth naturally. Stick around because we've got more easy food tips coming your way that'll help you eat smarter without stressing.